Good morning, ma. Welcome to all for online education commerce theory part for the English medium second years, and the chapter we are dealing with the banking services, that is the part 11th. So here we are going to discuss about the types of payments. What are the types of payments? So generally central government is planning to make the India as a digital India. All we know that they have introduced the set-top box system, and they have introduced certain apps. Yes, education apps also they have introduced, just like Zoom, Google Meet, yes, some of the education apps, and also they have introduced some of the payment apps like Paytm, Google Pay, ePay. So different types of apps they have been introduced. Nakana meege baga ekku telusu apps gurinchi. So let us see what is this. So as per the Digital India campaign, the government aim to create a digital empowered. So the government want to make the India as a digital empowered, okay, economy that is faceless, cashless and paperless. If you are making the transaction with, if you are doing the transaction with technology, with any technology, for example Paytm, if I transfer amount from my account to your account, then you will not see my face, you will not see any cash, okay, you can't see any paper, okay, paper bill or anything, paper vouchers or paper documents, there is nothing is there, just your account has been credited, okay, cash will be not in your hand, okay, there is no cash in your hand, just your account has been credited, that is only happening. So some of these include the use of debit card, credit card, yes, what we are using the debit card and credit card in the ATMs. Internet banking, already we have discussed. Mobile wallets, which we are going to discuss in the upcoming sessions. Digital payments apps, that only Paytms, Google Pay, ePay, and some other apps also came forward. Yes, so those are used to make the digital payments. Bank prepaid cards, these also a type of a card that is issued to the certain category of customers. Simply we can say that certain category of customers of the bank, okay. Mobile banking, whatever the transactions we will do with our mobile phones, just like booking the tickets of the rail, okay, booking the tickets of the airport flight tickets, booking the tickets of the seaport ship tickets, and booking the tickets of the movie also, right? Those are considered as mobile banking. Paying electricity bill, paying some water bill, those all come under the mobile banking, whatever the transactions we do with our mobile phones, right? Yes. Let us see in these types of payments, it is mainly classified into these 5 parts. So we will go into discuss each and every part in detail now. Check, first one, we know what is check. Yes, in the previous session also we have discussed about the e-check, electronic check with digital signature. Here we are using the check, paper check, okay. NEFT. N means national, E means electronic, F means fund, T means transfer. Electronic, national, electronic fund transfer. Next, RTGS, real time gross settlement. IMPS, immediate payment system. Next, payment wallets. We will study all these 5 topics in this today's sessions one by one. In this session we are going to cover what is check, what is NEFT, and what is RTGS, okay. Actually yesterday only we have covered about yesterday means in the previous session we have discussed about NEFT and RTGS, yes, and again we will going to discuss here, that is in e-banking. Here we are generally discussing similar, both are similar, but as per the syllabus we have to teach it, so that's why I am teaching you. See ma, check, we know what is check. See, if I am a payer, I am a payer, P-A-Y-E-R, payer. You are the payee, means you are the receiver of money and I am the giver. Now what I will do, I will write a check that I am Aisha. So I am Aisha, I want to transfer certain amount to some of you, means some, let us take you as an X person, Mimal X Ankundam. So I want to transfer this amount to this X person, rupees 1 lakh rupees, and I will do my signature at the end. and also I will take some of your information. Okay, your bank, which is your what is your bank, bank name and IFC codes and whatever the related formalities related with the check. I will do those all things and I will give you the check. So when I give to you the check, at that time what happened, I am ordering the bank. I will order the bank to pay certain amount to that person. I will order to the bank. See here what I have written. A check is a document which order the bank to pay money from a person's account to another account, from my account to your account. I am ordering to bank to pay you. Okay, in whose name the check has been made or issued. If I issued the check on your name, then you only receive the amount. Okay, if you don't want to receive, what you will do, you will give that check to some other. మీకు ఒకవేళ ఆ చెక్ అవసరం లేదు, నేను మాత్రం మీ పేరు మీద చెక్ ఇష్యూ చేశాను, అప్పుడు మీరు ఏం చేయొచ్చు, ఆ చెక్ అనేది మీరు ఇంకెవరికైనా ఇస్తే ఆ పర్సన్ కూడా వచ్చి బ్యాంక్ నుంచి ఆ అమౌంట్ని క్లెయిమ్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. ఓకే, ద బ్యాంక్ నుంచి క్లెయిమ్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. సో దట్స్ వై ఇట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ యాజ్ ఎ నెగోటబుల్ ఇన్స్ట్రుమెంట్. నెగోటబుల్ ఇన్స్ట్రుమెంట్ మీన్స్ ఒక చేయి నుంచి ఇంకో చేయికి మార్చొచ్చు. మీన్స్ we can change it from one hand to another hand. Check can be changed from one hand to another hand. Yes, I have written check on your name. You are not you can't able to come to bank on that day. You will send someone, some other person, and you will call to the manager and say, I did not came due to some X reason, so I sent some person on behalf of me, please give that amount to him. Then the bank will give that amount to him. Okay, so that is happening here, which can be transferred simply they will transfer it. It is this important negotiable instrument. Okay, next, NEFT, National Electronic Fund Transfer, countrywide electronic fund transfer system from sending money from one bank to another, one bank account to another. Okay, in a safe and hassle-free manner. Hassle-free manner means inconvenience. Hassle means inconvenience. There is no inconvenience while transferring the money from one bank account to another bank account. Countrywide, there is no any kind of problem or there is no any kind of inconvenience, and it is also safe while transferring the fund electronically nationwide from one bank account to another. Okay, settlements are made in batch wise format. So whatever the settlements are there in the National Electronic Fund Transfer, those are made in the batches. Okay, batch means a group, in group. Similar transactions will bring under one group and other transactions with similar character that will bring under one group. In this way the transactions will be settled. Okay, next, real-time gross settlement. Real-time gross settlement means when we order to transfer the fund from one account to another account, there will be immediately transferred that amount or there will take some time. Sometimes it will happen, sometimes it will be delay, but most of the times they will make the immediate settlement. Okay, most of the time they will make the immediate settlement. Gross amount means huge amount. They make the settlement of huge amount. To complete the transaction, it is important to sorry mom, important to collect the some details from the payee. Payee means receiver. It is necessary to collect certain information from the payee, such as account number. Okay, account number, payee account number, IFC code. Okay, passbook untundi kada, passbook మీద ఉంటది IFC code అనేది. So payee account number, IFC code, bank name. Okay, bank name and account holder name. Inka account holder name. Who is holding that account? Okay, who is holding that account? That account name is also have to be collected. These necessary information should have to be collected. One is account number, IFC code, bank name and account holder name. This should be collected. Yes. Yes. IFC code number, these all should be collected. Yes. Next, see differences between NEFT and RTGS. Okay. NEFT means National Electronic Fund Transfer. RTGS means real time gross settlement. Gross ante ఏంటిదన్నా చాలా ఎక్కువ. ఎస్, గ్రాస్ ప్రాఫిట్ గ్రాస్ లాస్ అని చేస్తాం కదా ట్రేడింగ్ అకౌంట్ చేసేటప్పుడు, అట్లా గ్రాస్ అంటే చాలా ఎక్కువ. సో క్రైటీరియాస్, ఫస్ట్ వన్ ఈజ్ సెటిల్మెంట్ మా. ట్రాన్సాక్షన్ సెటిల్డ్ ఇన్ బ్యాచెస్. I told you similar category transactions అన్నిటిని ఒక బ్యాచ్ చేసేసి సెటిల్మెంట్, they make the settlement. Okay, transactions settled individually. Here the transaction settled in batch means in group, but here individually they will make the settlements. Next, RTGS timing, real time gross settlement timings. Settled on hourly base during the bank working hours. Only in the bank working hours only they will make the settlements. Okay, here processed immediately in the real time, whenever it may be. Not only particular bank time, whenever it may be, they will settled immediately the individual transactions. Okay, next, transaction amount అంటే minimum maximum limits ఎట్లా ఉన్నాయి చూద్దాం. No minimum limit, there is no minimum limit ma, but has a maximum limit. Minimum ఎంతైనా ట్రాన్స్ఫర్ చేయొచ్చు, 200, 300, 400, ఎంతైనా 5 lakhs, 6 lakhs, ఎంతైనా మినిమం. బట్ మ్యాక్సిమం మాత్రం సర్టెన్ లిమిట్ ఈస్ దేర్. ఓకే, మినిమం అప్ లిమిట్ ఈస్ 2 lakhs. స్టార్ట్ ఎక్కడి నుంచి అవ్వాలి, మినిమంగా 2 lakhs నుంచి స్టార్ట్ అవ్వాలి. No upper ceilings means maximum limit లేదు. Here see no minimum limit, here no maximum limit. Here maximum limit, here minimum limit. Opposite. Okay. Next, value. Meant for lower and medium range transactions. It is suitable for lower and medium level transactions. This is suitable for high value transactions, means for large transactions it will be suitable. This is suitable for lower and medium. See here, lower and medium. For short type of transactions this is suitable. What is the National Electronic Fund Transfer? But for the large, the real time gross settlement, gross means huge na, that's why high value transactions ki ఇది suitable గా ఉంటుంది. So transactions are settled individually. So this is the difference between the National Electronic Fund Transfer and gross real time gross settlement. So in the next session we will discuss about the IMPS, that is immediate payment system, advantages, process in detail, along with the differences of NEFT, RTGS and IMPS differences తో నెక్స్ట్ సెషన్లో ఈ టాపిక్ తోటి మళ్ళీ మిమ్మల్ని కలుస్తాను. ఓకే, till then you have to do practice at the home. Yes.